Hi everyone, whenever I'm making French toast, I use salt instead of sugar. I use an egg, I use cinnamon powder, and I use slices of bread. I'll explain to you why I do not use milk. That is because I like to retain the texture of the bread, and milk tends to make it softer and up to what I'd call soggy. So I'll start by breaking my egg into my cinnamon, add some salt, and then whisk thoroughly until the cinnamon is evenly distributed. There are no lumps in it. It takes quite a while, but it gets done. I like to spin my bowl around as I whisk. That way I get to cover all the corners and everything gets mixed well. Having done that, I'm going to add some cooking oil onto a pan and allow the pan to gain some heat. Somewhere between minimum to medium, not too high as that's going to burn the toast before it's ready. Just try and spread the cooking oil around. And then I'm going to pour my mixture onto a plate that will make it easier to coat my slices of bread. Then I just quickly dip my slices one at a time in and out. I don't soak them because, like I said, I like to retain the texture of the bread. I don't want it to become too soft. I give that time to cook on the first side. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching this far. While at it, please make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I upload new recipes. You can also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about my way of doing this. Let me know how you do yours differently and share this recipe. Once the first side is ready, I'm going to turn it. Though I feel the first side needs a little more time, so I'm going to turn it again once the second side is done so that I get a nice shade of brown. This is what I want it to look like. So I'll put back the first side to brown some more. And then as soon as it's ready, I'll lift it off the pan and set it aside on a plate. Repeat the process for the remaining slices. Every dip is quick. I don't want it soaking. Once that is ready, set it aside as well and do the same for the remaining slice. Same process, except in this case, I'm going to let my mixture drip onto the slice so that it doesn't go to waste. That's just the leftover part of it. When this is also ready, I'll set it aside on the plate, just like I did for the other two slices. I like to serve them when I've cut through the middle. Plate is dancing all over the place, but I managed to get it done. And then I stack them like so and arrange them in such a way that it looks like a slope. Our French toast is officially ready. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know what you think about this